That's word to my G code. Fuck my ex, I'm single. I got a new fit, so I'm Fleeto. And I came in here to spend money tonight. And you know that we ballin'. We gon' turn the club into a garden.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Skinz Diortv, and I'm back with another video. I'm out here in Central Park. Let me show y'all. I'm out here in Central Park. Right here. This used to be a sand park. It's looking like a snow park. I guess they got some type of like running tournament or something. What you call those? You know what I mean? Everybody running out here on a snowy day. I ain't even know it was snowing out here. You know what I mean? Thought we was clear from that. But yeah, man. We out here in Central Park. Gotta watch out on bus bands, on these steps and all that. I already did a video in here, but like I said, with my luck, you know, the video didn't have no audio. Y'all gonna see some of it. I'm just gonna come down here real quick. You know what I'm saying? To kind of replicate what I did. But yeah, man, I did a video down here. You know what I mean? All through Central Park. You know what I'm saying? And through Harlem. Ain't got no audio. And that was my fault because, like I said, the wind muff was coming off, so I glued it around it, but some of the glue seeped in the mic. You know what I mean? So now I almost bust my ass. Hope y'all ain't see me slip on the camera. So now the audio it don't work. So I just ordered a new mic for it. You know what I mean? Almost bust my ass again. You know what I'm saying? No, I ain't got no Timbs on. I got Iversons in the snow. You know what I mean? I'm supposed to be on my Timberland, my New York shit. But like I said, that's what happened with the camera, and that's why I didn't post that video. That's why it's been a delay, period. Because I got a bunch of videos with no audio, and that's what it is right now. But I'm gonna pull up. Oh damn! I'm gonna show you the video that I actually filmed. I was right here, and you're gonna see that there was no it wasn't iced up in here, but it was just water. Look how quick. Oh, let me zoom in right here and show y'all right here. You know what I'm saying? You see the ducks in there. This was last week, a couple days ago. You know what I'm saying? And the water is already getting icy. You know what I'm saying? Let me try to pull up a little bit closer. The water's getting real icy already. But the ducks is able to, they about to walk on this. You know what I'm saying? You slip in there, B. Good night. You know what I'm saying? This is an ice ladder. I didn't even know they had these, man. This makes plenty of sense. Ice ladder right here. I don't even want to go too close, being that I'm slipping. Let me zoom in. You know, if y'all somebody falling there, you could act quick before 911. You know what I'm saying? Get here and probably save somebody's life. But I'm gonna try to stay up here, but I don't come nowhere near this shit. But yeah, man. Like I said, I'm gonna insert that footage in right now, as you can see that it was just water here. That's how cold New York is getting. You know what I'm saying? Let me get a close up of these ducks. I used to come back here back in the days to feed the birds with some bread. You know what I mean? Yeah, this crazy. All these ducks right here, look all of them on the side right there. They all right here. All just standing on the ice. You know what I mean? This one right here. Yeah, man, I'm out of here. I go right through this way. There's a little waterfall down here. All I gotta do is make sure I don't bust my ass. You know what I'm saying? And that's it. I'm gonna go see right here what it's looking like. But I took a different route on the footage that's deleted. So, well, it's not deleted, got no audio. I got other footage that is deleted. I'm gonna talk about that in some other videos. Let me check this out right here. surprised this ain't frozen right here. None of this is frozen. But yeah, man, people walking their dogs. It's 9:35, as you can see right there, 9:35. I'm gonna see how long it take me to get to the east side. I'm on the west side. Let's see how long. There's a lot of people out here. It's active. It's active. When I was in here, it was snowing. You know what I'm saying? That was a couple of days ago, like I said. And there was nobody really in here. Like, it's active. People trying to, you know, like I said, they was taking pictures in here and in the snow. You know what I mean? A little bit of both. See, everybody's still running. It's like nothing ever happened in here. You know what I mean? But yeah, 9:35. We gonna go to the east side, Spanish Harlem, through Central Park, and see how long it take to get to the other side. You know what I mean? Everybody working out, running. I'm getting my steps in, man. And you should too. These steps in. See, there's all ages out here. Everybody running for I forgot what you call. I said a tournament. I forgot what you call those, man. I'm lost for words right now. You know what I mean? It's Central Park. It's the baseball field right here. Everybody running, man.
This is nice.
Yeah. Sure, you look good. And she had the kid ache. She had the kid ache. Getting them cakes right, baby. I hear you. So this is a baseball field, as you can see right here. You know what I mean? This is like the shortcut to heading to the east side, towards Spanish Harlem, 5th Avenue. You know what I mean? I ain't gonna lie, the other side of the city looking really nice right now. Like I said, it's active out here. It's real active. I already dropped this camera, and I already got a ding on it. It's crazy. I just bought this camera. It's a new one. You know what I mean? This got a stabilizer already built into the DJ Osmo Pocket 3. So I'm using this to do the walking vlog, the tours, because it's less of a bouncing up and down type shit. You know what I mean? It's just straight raw, you know, cut, and none of that look like, you know, I'm shaking the world. But yeah, this is the shortcut I usually take. Now that I think about it, I said the tournament, I meant to say a marathon. I was lost for words. Yes, there's a marathon in here. There's a lot of people in here. You know what I mean? Getting their shit off. You know what I mean? But yeah, man, right here. It's another way. There's tons of people over there. Let me see if I can zoom in. See all the people in the green over there? There's tons of people over there. I don't know if that's the start or the finish of the marathon. But I ain't gonna go over there, so not interested in seeing that. Now we gotta finish this tour up. So yeah, this is the way I usually go when I take a shortcut to the east side. Usually I'll be driving, but like I said, sometimes it's good to walk. You know what I mean? Parking and all that, but you know, it'd be parking over there, but you know, sometimes it's good to walk. But there's the baseball field right here. I should be midway down Central Park. Let's speed it up.
I get high all the time and be drunk out my mind. I don't like wasting time, cause one day I'm gon' die. Like too short for the ball, gotta get on my bullshit. Can't fuck with the guard, I get love from the squad. I got love for 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 the squad. I be high all the time and be drunk out my mind. I don't like wasting time, cause one day I'm gon' die. Like too short for the ball, gotta get on my bullshit. Can't fuck with the guard, I get love from the squad. I got love for 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 the squad. So fly, that's my gang. Know you heard about them boys. Fuck whatever they scream. We the ones making noise. Why the fuck can't we brag after all we've been through? Shout out all my cuckoos and my wheeler niggas too. Chunky, that's my nigga Z2. That's my nigga Cypress Sabbath. I ain't with them automatic with them hitters. I ain't worried about no bitches. They just worried if you spending. Or if you a poppin' nigga, we turn up to the max. Too much Henny, can't relax. Sitting back, getting laps. Telling wifey, call you back. Cause I see hoes, I get hype. Freaky dances, them my type. They be twerking all night. They be twerking all night. I know you wanna fuck with a nigga like me. I know you wanna fuck with a nigga like me. Cause I'm fleet, designers on my feet. And I'm young, with no ring. And a bitch cannot control me. All the time, and be drunk out my mind. I don't like wasting time, cause one day I'm gon' die. Like too short for the ball, gotta get on my bullshit. Can't fuck with the guard, I get love from the squad. I got love for 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 the squad. They like who them? So fly bitch, we a movement. Young fly niggas in that new shit. Probably hit your hole like a pool stick, but now some more over, so a nigga gotta fall back. Hit a stank bitch till she all that. Niggas talk shit, we ignore that. Till I see them up close, tell them hold that. I know a couple things about a couple niggas. Nowadays you can't fuck with niggas. Nowadays you can't trust these hoes. She ain't loving you, but she fuck me though. Everything is a go. Every time we hit the scene, my niggas make a show. Hella bank rolls, hoes, Henny and rolls. So rock, keep that close. Better keep that close.
We almost there. A little squirrel right here. Little squirrel action.
Looking A1 with my day ones. Niggas ain't tough, I don't say much.
You go there, take a picture.
You can meet my squad.
You fancy.
One phone call, you can meet my squad.
Yeah, but we almost here. I'm curious to see how long it took. Wait till we get to the end of the gate. Alright, we made it. We made it. 9:47. Did I say 9:35? Did I say 9:35? Yeah, it was 9:35. So that was about 12 minutes to get to the east side. You know what I'm saying? From the west side to the east side, which we on 5th Avenue right now. Let me show you out there. We on 5th Avenue.
I'll see you Tuesday.
As you can see right there, we on 5th Avenue. So let me keep this tour going. Walk a little further down. She taking her sweet time. She see me walking there. How polite. See the buildings over here.
On the piano.
These are the expensive joints right here. These are the Citibank bikes people using now. See this bike. This bike is not even available. See that shit? That shit is not available. I don't know if y'all can see that. I don't know if that means it's rented or it don't work. A lot of them say that. But yeah, we're gonna keep it moving. This is a museum right here. Yeah, definitely a museum over here. This is the Museum of New York City. You can see it right there. I ain't gonna lie, I never been in here before. I'm not a museum type of dude. Only went to museums when I was younger, like school-wise. And, you know, probably took my daughter to a museum when she was little, but other than that, I don't do museums. What they say right there. Yeah, we about to be on the east side. Well, we already on the east side, but all the way on the east. You know what I mean? You see this area looking good, but then there's some areas that don't. It's like it's mixed with the hood. Where we at? Yeah, Madison. You know, Madison. What products is these? Caviar. What's the name of these joints? Caviar houses. To be honest, I didn't even notice these joints. Look what other projects right there. On Madison. You go a little further up. There's more projects over here. It's probably the same projects on Madison and 106. You know what I mean? But this gonna conclude. This tour. I'm gonna be walking around a little bit more. You know what I mean? Just building up this content. You know what I'm saying? For the content that I lost. This is New York City. You see them big ass rat things in there. Hopefully one of them pop out. You know what I'm saying? But this gonna conclude this tour. Like I said, just showing you around Central Park. and how long it take to get from the west side to the east side. I had to come do some things over here anyway, so it just made sense for me to come this way. But so yeah, I got other videos on the way, so stay tuned. Like I said, I'm just gonna run these errands, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.
I got 100 guns, 100 clips, nigga, I'm from New York, New York. I got a semi-automatic that spits next time if you talk.